This is Priddey from the Retro Computer Shack. In this video I'll show you how to connect Sinclair QL to a TV via the Scart socket. To do this you'll need my RGB Scart lead, which connects the RGB out from the QL to the Scart in on the TV. Let's make the connections. So the DIN plug end of the Scart lead you need to plug into the RGB output on the QL. The other end of the Scart lead, the Scart plug, needs to be plugged into the TV. I've already plugged this one in. Then we need to plug in the power connection. Make sure the computer and monitor and TV are switched off first. And for this example I'm going to also connect this excellent QL V drive, which basically emulates a micro drive, but you're storing onto SD card instead of a micro drive cartridge, and that plugs in just the same as a micro drive. Okay, next switch the TV on and select the, let me switch that light out, and select the Scart input. On this one the Scart input is labelled as EXT. Next switch the QL on, and as you can see you get the normal QL boot screen there. If you're using RGB Scart lead you'll only be able to select the F2 TV mode. You can still run it in F1 mode, monitor, but you'll lose a few characters on the left hand screen. I'm just going to type the X key now, so 1, 2, 3, and it comes into view, so you'll lose a bit of the left hand screen. However, if you connect the QL to a TV with a HDMI input, which I'll explain how to in another video, you'll be able to use it in monitor mode as well. But it'll run most programs in the TV mode, so I'll just reset it again. And we'll boot into F2. I'm going to press the F2 button now to go into TV mode. Now on this QL, I just mentioned I've connected the V drive, so I'm just going to run that just to quickly load a program up. So I need to run MDV3 boot, which just loads the toolkit up from the V drive. Then I need to just run the Abacus program, which is exec mdv3 underscore abacus, and that little beep you just heard then is the V drive just loading up now. And with a bit of luck, after a few seconds we should see Abacus appear on the screen. Although I have got a little bit of a strange, oh there we go, and it's loaded up. So you can see that formats into the screen perfectly okay in F2 mode, but in F1 monitor mode you'll lose a few characters on the left hand screen. For most people it should be as simple as that. For those who have any problems, I'll put links below the video for my troubleshooting guide, which goes through some of the problems that you may occur and how to fix them. I'll also put links to the V drive as well, which is an excellent little add-on for the QL. And then in another video I'll show you how to connect via HDMI, and you can use the monitor mode F1 and display the full screen. Well, that's about it for me. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you find it useful.